Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It is time to do a chatty get ready with me. So what I'm going to do is put on my makeup. I might tell you what's going on with my makeup and I might not. So let's get started. I'm pulling out some things here. I've got my makeup basket. So let me move some stuff around. Pull my mirror closer to me. I've already done my skincare and put my primer on, so let's get started. I'm going to try to use this foundation, and I think this might do it today. Wait, we shall see. I'm going to try to see what I can squeeze out. Whew. I think this is going to be it today for this one. Oh my goodness. I am filming way ahead of time because we are going out of town. We have decided to go to Asheville for a trip. We got to, one, the car needs serviced, and you know, we've got a thing with the dealership, you know, so we have to take the car up and get it serviced. That's probably like the main catalyst for this trip. And then since we're going up for that, we're going to meet up with friends and, you know, just make a little trip out of it, because we didn't have no vacation this year, no planned vacation, so this will kind of be it. So we're going up to my in-laws, and so it'll be fun. We're going to be up for a few days instead of just the normal quick weekend. So that'll make it fun. So we're gonna all meet up with friends. We all have plans with different people, and so that's good. We're also gonna, when we come back home, go through Greenville. There's some places we want to hit up in Greenville. Some shopping and stuff that I guess Nathan really wants to do. There's a record store in Greenville that Nathan has some gift certificates for, so we need to go use those up. I think that did it. This is done. This is done. I'm going to throw it in my empties. I still have some of this. I'm just going to put that back away. So, and I'm going to go ahead and use this other powder today than the one I have in my makeup basket, because I like to use a more of a powdered foundation when I do these kind of tinted moisturizers, which was what that Tower 28 was, is a tinted moisturizer. So let's get all these fun stuff on. Let's see. So yeah, we're going to go away. So when you see this video, I'll probably already be back home. But I'm going to get some things filmed and make sure I don't miss any videos while I'm gone. Try to be a little more proactive about things. I've been working on a new crochet project. It's an advanced pattern, so I'm actually so far enjoying it. It's going to take me a little while. I've also been working on something for my Etsy shop. I've got one thing done, and I've ordered some supplies to do some more. I'm making, you know how I do my ornaments. I am making like trees, you know, out of cone shapes, making trees. So I've got one done that's completely clear rhinestone, and I'm going to see how much green rhinestones I have. How many green rhinestones? Let's see if I can make one whole tree green, and I'm thinking one like a pastel pink for my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is still on sale. I have, I think, 7 items left in it, and these are I don't know why they're not selling. They're ornaments that, well, maybe the colors aren't what people really want. And I just have a hard time photographing them to make them look like amazing. I used to be a really good photographer. I haven't practiced. I haven't really done a lot of, since cell phones, I've stopped using the art of using my camera. Like, I have a really nice camera I'm filming with. All I do is film these videos with it. Brian's played with this camera some, but I haven't really, so I need to probably play with my camera more. There we go. I have a feeling I'm going to go off my diet in Asheville, and I think I'll just hit it hard when I come back. I haven't been talking about it, but I'm down 20 pounds so far. So, yeah, I've been working on it. I've been doing the Dukin diet, but modified, and it seems to be working for me. So, there we go. Color looks a little off. I don't know. My skin is so red. I'm so pinky red. It doesn't matter. All I am doing today is taking Nathan to work. I drive there, drop him off, come right back. Don't even get out of the car. I have no reason to shop today. No reason to go anywhere. Okay. Let's see. Anything else going on? We're going up. Oh, some friends of ours, a couple, we're going to see them Friday night. They're coming to my in-laws Friday night for a visit. But Saturday, for their anniversary, they're flying to Paris. I'm glad we get to see them before they go, but man, they're going to Paris for their anniversary. How wonderful. I know they're going to have a great time. I think this is the first time for both of them going to Paris, so yep. Sounds like fun. Sounds like fun. Anything, I don't think anything else is going on. I mean, oh, Saturday night we're meeting friends. We have a lot of friends who are musicians, friends in Nashville and Asheville and all around. We have a lot of musician friends, especially my husband used to do a lot of band photography, concert photography. And so we've made a lot of friends over the years. But we have friends that have a band in Asheville called Pleasure Chest. And we're going to see them. We get to see them perform on Saturday night. They'll be at Highland Brewery. So we're going to the brewery. And we've put a thing out. You know, all our friends, whoever wants to come meet us there, we'd love to see our friends. I think this is in a project pan. I'm going to use this today along with other things, but yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully, I know some friends are coming. I hope some other friends get to come. I tried to let people know, you know, as far in advance as I could. So we'll see. We'll see. I did wash my hair today and it is wet, so I just pulled it up as usual. So yeah, I have wet hair today. Let's see. I don't think I've ever just used this palette. I'm playing it. I'm gonna go with this mint green right here and just kind of put it in my transition area like this. Just pale green. There we go. I do have the fan on high, although it's not as hot as it has been. It's been rainy here. It's not raining now, but the last few days it's been very rainy and stormy, and it's been cooler. And it's not been like, storms haven't been that bad, so it's been okay. I'm gonna go with this grungy army green right here and work it in my crease. I don't think I'm gonna go too crazy today. I'm just gonna try to get some color on. But yeah, I've been busy creating. Like I said, finished that one tree made out of vintage jewels, and then now I'm working on a advanced crochet piece that I'm going to take with me to Asheville, so when I am not doing things, I can crochet. I don't know how much crocheting I'll get done, but I'd rather take it and not touch it than not take it and wish I had something to do. Like I'm wasting my time. I think a pine cone just hit the roof. Boom. I think that was a pine cone. I have pine trees in my yard, the long needle big pines, and I have a lot of pine cones in my yard. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, I'm not doing too much today with my eyes. It's just going to be kind of a easy, simple eye look today. I think I'm going to go with this real pretty Kelly green and put it on my outer V, just like that. And just like that. Ugh. I'm going to wipe that out of my brush, but go in and blend the edge a little bit. Okay. I'm going to take my finger into this green right here. Oh, hear a train. Yep. We don't get a lot of train. We have train tracks just right here. And the train does, there you can hear it. It does go by our house, but the only trains that we really can count on is Amtrak. Amtrak comes through, it comes through at between midnight and 1, and then around 5 a.m., between 5 and 6 in the morning. And that's when we get Amtrak trains, and those are every day, and definitely can count on them, although sometimes I can tell when the train's really late. But that is the Floridian, I think, is the line, the Amtrak line. So if you ever watch videos or something where people are taking the Floridian, it goes from Chicago down to, I think, Miami. And if they take the Floridian, then they come right by my house. Kinda, sorta, my neighbor's house. It's through my neighbor's backyard, not my backyard. But yeah, that's pretty good. I think I'm okay with that. I'm gonna take, let's see, where am I at? Doo-doo. Here we go. I've got some pencils in project pan. I'm going to take this purple one and kind of add it to my outer, just the light outer corners, top and bottom. Just one purple. I'm going to take my Stila Nude and do my waterline. Oh, I was supposed to use something else. I will use it. Let me grab it. I have got a liquid eyeshadow. These little fine hairs are blowing. They're irritating me. Okay, this is a glittery eyeshadow. There we go. I'm just gonna dab it in the center of my eye here. Get some use out of it. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna wipe off this dough food a little bit. It didn't seem like it transferred, but just, I'm going to take this same and do my little inner corner highlight. Let me tone that down just a little bit. Let me grab a clean brush. Make sure that's clean. Tone that down a little. We take another brush. I think I can clean that under there just a little bit. Okay, I'm alright with that. Let me get some mascara on. It's just going to be a fast eye look today. I've got a lot to do. I got to do my nails before we go, and I got to pack. I'm down to the wire. I got videos to film and edit. I got to take Nathan to work today, and yeah, a lot going on. I like to leave my house clean. So I come home to a clean house, you know? There's nothing worse than coming back from a trip and your house is a mess. And then you're like, oh, I should have cleaned it. I should have cleaned it. So I'll try to clean up a little bit. I don't know, I'm running out of time. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Get that on my brush. Whew. Doesn't look like that would have a lot of color. But it does. There we go. I'm going to use my finger and go into my highlight here. These have like a subtle highlight. For me, they don't seem that very, they're not bright. Not blinding. Which, sometimes I like that. I prefer that. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with this Merit lipstick. I'm going to go in with Sweater Weather by Kylie Jenner. I like her lip liners. I'll probably put that on a list to get some more. Because I do like her lip liners a lot. And this is Merit, and I believe this is Fashion. Yep. And that's it. There we go. Simple, easy, quick, perfect. That's all I need for today. Eye look looks good, so I'm happy. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel grow. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. So guys, until next time, thanks for watching.